afternoon. My name is Elizabeth. Today we're going to take a deeper dive into the sales buyer. We're going to focus on three things. We're going to focus on who is the sales buyer. We're going to focus on what do they care about. And then we're also going to focus on how and why can Salesforce help these people meet what they care about. So Mike, can you give me 2 or 3 examples of a sales buyer that you would talk to here at Salesforce?
Yeah, of course. So it might be SVP.
Oh yeah?
A CEO of a smaller business.
Definitely.
Maybe a sales manager of a retail location.
Yeah. Absolutely. Thanks, Mike. Yeah, these are all great examples. It's going to be anybody that has a heavy hand in the sales process. That could also be too, depending on the company. It could even be as low as an AE or somebody with just a really high up sales position as well. So we've got SVP, CEO, managers, and then maybe some higher level senior AEs. What do they care about? The number one thing any sales buyer cares about, whether or not they'll tell you this, is that they want to hit the numbers. They have to hit them week over week, month over month, year over year, tenure over tenure. This is what matters. We have to hit the numbers, we have to bring in the money. The other thing is they need to be able to forecast. So yes, they need the money to come in, but they need to know when it's going to come in, what places each deal is at, so we can make sure at the end of the day we're always getting to our numbers. How are we going to do this? That's the big question. So the first way is going to be through Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud is going to be our customizable, I'm just going to face this way, anywhere solution. This means that you can track, grow, and close business, but also do it faster. What does this actually mean for these sales buyers? It's going to mean first in Sales Cloud we have reports, which is just going to be data on data everywhere. You can do data on calls, data on deals, data on length of time and value. This way you'll always be able to see where your money is and when it's gonna close for you. You can also do it from anywhere. So just like here at Salesforce, we want salespeople on the road, we want salespeople at their desk, in conference rooms, in big settings. You can use it from your phone, your tablet. We want you to be able to sell from wherever you are. That way you can make sure you're hitting your numbers. And lastly, Sales Cloud is intelligent. So with AI and our predictive ability, we can look at a deal and see, do we need to talk to them? When was the last time we followed up? Is somebody about to slip through the cracks and not be able to close? So we can do all of this within Sales Cloud. So this is one great way that our sales buyers can meet some of their targets. Another great way, we'll do a Sales Cloud here, is going to be through something called Salesforce IQ Inbox. This is going to be the email and calendar addition to your Sales Cloud or Sales CRM. Why is this important? One is scheduling. So you can send an email to a lead, like I did this morning. Here are some times that I'm available. We don't have to go back and forth. We don't have to each connect with our busy schedules. It's really clear and right here. Nothing will fall through the cracks. Another thing is that it goes right into your CRM. So for example, if Mike and I are working on a lead together or a deal together, I can see what he said to them yesterday, so I know not to repeat and just to grow on what we're working on together. And the last thing is it's going to automate some data processes. So just like the last example I said, Mike doesn't have to, email the lead and then go into somewhere else and basically type out what he just said. That's going to be done automatically, so salespeople can spend more time selling and again, hit numbers. Another great tool to help your sales buyers and their sales team hit these goals is something called Quip. Quip is going to be a great collaboration tool, and the great thing about Quip, is that you can collaborate not through email. So we all know our emails can get very cluttered. It's really easy to open something and not respond right away. This is a great tool where you can have projects and deals right in one place and collaborate together. Another great thing about Quip is it's connected right to your CRM, which means you have data. So you can just pull up, you want to go to a meeting with your manager, talk about your project, why it works, pull in your CRM data right into your Quip collaboration. And then lastly, Quip is another great anywhere tool. in the sense that even if you're not connected to like internet or something goes down when you're on the road, you can go right into Quip, edit it, and then when you get back on track, back in the internet, all your progress is saved, so you don't have to go back and redo anything manually. So again, you can worry about selling and not like data entry or something. So these are 3 great tools, Sales Cloud, IQ Inbox, and Quip, that are all going to help these sales buyers with their goals of hitting the numbers and forecasting of when they're going to hit those numbers.